So hey guys, hope you all are having a great day today. So yes, I'm here with another review, but today I'm reviewing this chocolate bar with you guys. It's from a company called Ritter Sport. Now for all these years, I have never heard about, this chocolate bar. Not until recently, which was last week, I actually had come across this chocolate bar. And so in this video, I wanted to share with you guys my experience basically trying this chocolate bar. Now, people who really know me know that I am a chocolate lover. I love chocolate bars. I am more of a chocolate bar person. Like, I don't buy gum and mints and stuff like that. Some people buy them on a regular. With me, I usually buy chocolate bars. And so when I first saw this chocolate bar, a chocolate bar I have never tried, I was so excited to see this chocolate bar. And so when I saw this chocolate bar last week, I tried it and I really liked it. And so I wanted to try it again. Now, I just wanted to show you guys this chocolate bar because some of you may have not tried this chocolate bar as well. And I have to say that this chocolate bar is delicious. I saw that they had dark chocolate and they also have white chocolate. When it comes to chocolate bars, I love chocolate bars, but I hate white chocolate and I hate dark chocolate. Like I never buy those two. I always stick to my milk chocolate. Okay? Basically, this is the Ritter Sport. It's milk chocolate with whole hazelnuts. And this is 3.5 ounces, which is 100 grams. And so let you guys check it out for yourselves. This is how it looks at the front. As you can see, it has the hazelnuts in between the chocolate. And then in the back, it basically gives you the nutrition facts, at the back. And so what I find amazing about this product is that it was made in Germany, because I usually eat the Cadbury chocolate and American chocolate bars, but this was actually the first time I actually had tried a German chocolate, and it was a great experience. So I'm gonna open it up so you guys can actually see, how it looks, okay? It smells so good. Like, as I open this, I could actually smell the chocolate. And so I want you guys to look inside and see how it looks when you first open it up. So this is how it looks. So it's basically just milk chocolate, and between, like, they do a layer at the bottom, and then they put the hazelnut in the middle, and then they put some more chocolate at the top. Okay, let me let you guys look at the front. This is how it looks. It says Ritter Sport at the front. So it's like 16 pieces of the chocolate. Okay, so let me know down in the comments if you prefer milk chocolate, white chocolate, or dark chocolate. What's your favorite? Mine is milk chocolate. I will forever prefer milk chocolate. I think out of the three, white chocolate is the worst. But some people like white chocolate. So let me break some of this off so you could see. This is how it looks. So, yeah, that's how it looks. And if you're wearing braces like me, you want to be careful eating this, okay? So as I bite this, the chocolate tastes so good. And the hazelnut inside of this is nice and crunchy. But like I said, if you're wearing braces, be careful eating the Tastes really good. I like the crunch of the hazelnut in there. Usually when I buy chocolate, I prefer to get chocolate that have like peanuts in it. Or just nuts in general. See? I feel like they put the right amount of hazelnuts inside of this. Really good. Really good. So, when it comes to the ingredients, it has milk chocolate, of course, with the hazelnut. It also has sugar, cocoa butter. It has actually skim milk, butterfat milk. It has traces of peanuts and other tree nuts. It has wheat and egg. And it also have lactose milk and chocolate liquor. Okay? Now, when I compare this chocolate with the Cadbury, like this chocolate and the Cadbury are somewhat similar because of the hazelnut, but I feel as if the Cadbury chocolate, and if you don't know Cadbury, it's a UK chocolate, and that chocolate really tastes good. That's one of my favorite chocolates out there. And I have a number of favorite chocolates, but that chocolate is one of my faves. And they also, like I was saying, like they have a chocolate bar where they have like hazelnut inside of it. Okay? But when I compare this chocolate with their chocolate, I think that Cadbury's chocolate is better, even though this chocolate tastes really, really good. This chocolate, in my opinion, it doesn't have the same creaminess that the Cadbury has. Like, the milk chocolate tastes really good with this, right? But when I compare it with the Cadbury chocolate, the Cadbury just seems more creamier. And maybe it's because they added the skim milk, I don't know. But I feel as if, even though I prefer the Cadbury over this chocolate bar tastes really, really good. Really good. I'm so glad I tried it. So, another thing, I think that when it comes to this chocolate bar, I like the fact that it isn't too sweet. I feel as if the Cadbury chocolate is sweeter than this. You know? That's something I would say is different when you compare this to the Cadbury. But that could be a good thing for some people. You know? It has just enough sugar in it. It's not to the point where it's too sweet, where your teeth will hurt. That's all I have left. And so basically this is my second time trying this. And overall, I would probably give this 4.5 out of 5. Now, if you're a person who like white chocolate, dark chocolate, I would suggest you check out their white chocolate and their dark chocolate. I know some persons who have tried them and they really like it. But you know, everyone doesn't like the same things. My preference has always been milk chocolate. The first time I tried milk chocolate, the first time I tried white chocolate, it tastes so nasty to me. I did not enjoy it at all. And even though dark chocolate is healthy, I'm not crazy about it, but I can deal with the dark chocolate more than the white chocolate. I just think that the white chocolate just really tastes nasty. Now, this is my final bite. Really good. I like the texture. Really good. Done. Tastes really good. So, yeah, I give this chocolate 4.5. Excellent chocolate. And they recommend that you store it in a cool, dry place. Okay? But if you're interested in this product, I will leave the information down in the description box. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys in the next review. Bye!